Have you ever considered what actually happens if a legal challenge to someone's last will and testament proves to be successful? Well, if a will contest is successful, the document that was challenged is typically declared invalid by the probate court. This means the court essentially decides that the contested will cannot be legally followed to distribute the deceased person's assets. The reason a court might invalidate a will usually falls into one of several categories. For example, if it is proven that the person making the will, known as the testator, lacked the mental capacity to understand what they were signing. This means they did not comprehend the nature of their assets, who their beneficiaries were, or the effect of their will. Another common ground is undue influence, where someone exerted significant pressure or manipulation on the testator, forcing them to create a will that did not reflect their true wishes. Finally, procedural errors, such as the will not being signed or witnessed correctly according to state law, can also lead to its invalidation. Once a will is successfully contested and invalidated, one of two main scenarios usually unfolds. The court might decide to reinstate a previous valid will that was in existence before the contested one. If no prior valid will can be found or proven, then the deceased person's estate will be distributed according to the state's intestacy laws. These laws are a set of rules that dictate how assets are divided among surviving family members when someone dies without a legally recognized will. Understanding intestacy laws is crucial because they provide a default plan that might not align with the deceased person's actual intentions. For instance, intestacy laws often prioritize spouses and children, and may completely exclude other relatives or chosen friends the deceased would have wanted to benefit. This legal framework ensures that assets are distributed rather than remaining in limbo, but it highlights the importance of having a clear, legally sound will that reflects your personal wishes. Knowing these potential outcomes encourages careful estate planning from the start. Taking the time to create a valid will, regularly review it, and potentially even consider a living trust can significantly reduce the chances of a successful contest. This proactive approach helps ensure your legacy is distributed exactly as you intend, bringing peace of mind to you and your loved ones.